So this video is a lot different than my usual stuff, but this still does relate to tech. And over the last month or so, I've been kind of obsessed with making my own coffee. I just wanted to make a quick video on how you could become a barista for under $200. And if you really think about it, if you just don't get Starbucks or whatever else your fast coffee is, like when you order it, you could save that money after like 3 weeks or so, if the math makes sense, because I think an average order for one person, I think at like a Starbucks would be like what, $6. The ingredients are pretty simple. You do need coffee beans. The ones I'm using for today is from Blue Bottle. It's pretty popular. You don't really necessarily need a sweetener, but I have French vanilla. It's a syrup. It's commonly used for like just in general because like it's just a popular brand and ingredient in most espressos and stuff like that. And then you need a grinder. I'll have all these things linked in the description, but most of all you need the espresso machine. And this one I got on Amazon, I think it was $130, and this grinder was, I don't know, like 20 bucks, I'm not too sure. So I am a little sick, if you can notice that in my voice. So you're gonna scoop like 1.5, I would say 1.5 into the grinder. You want to grind them for maybe 15 seconds, depending on how fine you want the coffee grounds to be. But before we do that, I'm gonna turn this on so that it can heat up. But let's get the grinding process going. I usually do intervals just so that you can kind of let the grounds just mix together. I don't know if it matters at all, but that's just something I do. I'm probably gonna do 2 more, and then we're going to put them into the actual container for the hot water to go through, which is right here. When you're done, it should look like that. We're gonna pour it into this bowl. So yeah, this is the bowl I use to put the grounds in. I use it pretty often. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to film this part because I need both hands, but we're gonna transfer the grounds into here. So the grounds are transferred over to this container. You do kind of compact them a little bit, just like so it could fit and have clearance. But now we are just gonna get it onto the machine. Once the lights are all full, you know that it's ready. So let's pop that onto there. So you kind of go like this, right? Hold on. Time for the cups. You want to leave one right under it. This is for frothing milk, but I don't really do that in my coffee, so it won't be in this demonstration. But typically for a scoop compacted like that, I'll do 3 cups. I don't know if that affects the flavor that much, but I just typically try to do 3 cups because I feel like I want to get the coffee grounds, like the worth of the coffee grounds basically. So let's press that. This is the cup I'm gonna pour the vanilla syrup into. So I think just a little more than that. I do like my coffee sweet, but I've been leaning more towards less sweet coffees lately because I want to taste the coffee taste more. But here's the vanilla syrup, and then we're gonna pour the coffee into that and pour it. And then put that back, get the straw, mix up the sweetener, and then we are going to get the actual creamer. So I use oat milk, specifically the Trader Joe's one, but honestly you could use whatever creamer you want to use. I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in there because there's not much. But yeah, there you have it. Just made espresso, homemade. If I didn't have to film, this would have been even faster, but this whole process takes about, I would say, 3 minutes. And yeah, it over the long term, it will save you money. But I just kind of wanted to do it so that I can get into the habit of making it at home and just appreciating coffee more. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll link everything in this video so that if you want to buy it, then you can.